Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. This video I am going to teach you how you can use or how to use credit balance in Temu. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step, and without further ado, let's get on it. So step 1 or the first step is you'll need to add products to the cart. So just browse products on your Temu app and then just add them to your cart as usual. So you can add multiple items to your cart, uh items up to your total credit limit. And then second is you can just proceed to checkout. So when you pay to checkout, you will see the Timo credit payment option. Just click on that, and after that you need to specify down payment. So you need to pay a certain percentage of the order value as down payment. So you can choose to pay 25%, 40%, or 60% upfront, and the remaining will be paid under later in the EMIs. And lastly, just need to confirm your order. So review order, confirm shipping address, agree to the terms, and place the order using your allotted credit limit. So that's it. That's how you can use the balance in your credit on your Temu. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.